Good morning. It's Monday and we're cooking up some breakfast.
And we're not at work.
And we're not at work. That's the most important thing of that statement. Today's plan is breakfast, beach, back for lunch, pool, taco dinner, taco bar dinner. So, very important things on today's to-do list. And coffee. The breakfast selection is the usual. We have some potatoes, bacon, and then we're gonna make some cheesy eggs. So, sous chef, Paul.
Executive chef.
No, I'm the executive chef.
Oh.
Okay, we're at Honolulu Beach. Allie's still filming. We're at Honolulu Beach, and this time we're with my entire family. Look, hello. We went down a little ways, and I think the water is a little bit better, and so my dad will be able to boogie board. So, he's ready to go. I was.
Condensed milk one.
This is better.
Than JoJo's?
Yep.
No, there's ice cream in there.
I think we'll just make the ground beef.
Hamburger.
Huh? You're gonna cook the hamburger?
We're at the senior center at the happy hour. They had Mai Tais, which aren't my favorite, but it's better than sugar. And then they also had wine, which was Chardonnay, so I gave it to my dad.
I guess water.
Water. I think they actually have juice. And then Paul ordered a pizza for an appetizer for dinner.
Try not to ruin dinner with Lisa's help.
Tacos.
Taco night. That's right. Oh.
It's Tuesday and we're going golfing today, but it's going to be an all-day excursion. First we're going to the ABC store. Second we're going to Little Fish Coffee, which is near where we stayed last time. All of like golf is also near where we stayed last time on the Poipu side of the island. And then we're going to golf. Our tee time's at 1:30. 1:31?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock? Oh, nice. And then we are just gonna hit some malls and hope for the best. Here we go. And then you do it. Allie's on a mission to go get herself another shaved ice. She like sprinted out of the car.
You don't mess with her shaved ice.
Here's where we stayed last time.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the last stop before golf. We've been in and out. I was saying how I went on a bathroom tour with Pete at like multiple places in Poipu. So if anyone needs any recommendations, just let me know.
There's the pool where we hung out.
On the last day.
For a flight.
Okay, we're here. It's really nice. Putting on our shoes. Okay. Okay. we're here, we're on the first tee. We tee off in 5 minutes. It's so beautiful. So we keep saying last year, but it was literally a year and a half ago, almost 2 years. We stayed at Kauai, which is right over there, and we kept seeing this golf course. Why isn't anyone there? Well, it's this course, and we were looking at the driving range, so of course we wouldn't see anyone because it's the end of the driving range. But this is our view. It came with comfort stations. Well, you can get free drinks. Well, it's not free, it's included before like at the starter box or whatever, and then they have 2 comfort stations on the course, so we'll show you those when we get there. But let's try to play golf well. And we're cruising. It's 3 hours and 20 minutes. People out here definitely know how to play fast, which is my kind of crowd. I hate slow golf, so it's been fun. This is only the 3rd time I've played since, and I only played 9 one of those times since early October. So we're pretty happy with how things are going, you know, good holes and bad holes, and honestly that's how it is even during prime golf season. So I was just saying how fast we're playing. It's 3 hours, like we're gonna finish in 3 hours and 30 minutes.
That's like a record. Never happens in Colorado.
No. And it's just gorgeous. Here's Ken up to the tee box one last time.
Could we play another 9?
I know, right? Here's Paul up to the tee one last time. You can put it in the golf bag. Paul ripped it. As long as it doesn't go right, it's going right. It might be pretty safe over there. Also, what I like about this golf course is there's lots of like forgiving. It's very forgiving. So if you go a little right, which is usually my miss, usually you're safe. So. Oh, and I got a birdie, and Allie got a birdie, and my dad got a birdie. Now Paul just needs a birdie on the last hole, but I don't know how that's looking for him. We're home from golf, and it was a fun and fabulous day. We stopped at a market and cafe that we thought was gonna be open for dinner, and it wasn't. My mom's just looking at me. Hi. But Paul ended up getting a sushi roll, and then we came home. My parents made sandwiches. We made pizza. My dad opened the champagne. Oh, I got this shirt today from the ABC store. It says Aloha Kauai, Chickens Gone Wild. And then I got my dad one in blue. And this is our lovely dinner. Yay! Okay, good morning. It is our last full day. And we're at Kauai Beach again. Just relaxing, enjoying the sunshine. Everybody's reading. Oh, by everybody, I mean Allie. And Paul. And there are my parents. But maybe I'll read, I don't know. And here's the view. Later we went to get shaved ice and an acai bowl and coffee. And then we went to the pool. We tried to play pool. And now we're just relaxing before dinner. Enjoying the view. Hello. How do I turn this down? Hello. It is the evening now and we're stopping for this rooster to cross. It's evening now. It's also Valentine's Day. I don't think I mentioned that so far. So Paul and I are going to a little Valentine's Day dinner together. My hair looks kooky. I blow dried it because I washed it and then I curled it, but it was like half wet, so we're just gonna go with it. But we're going to the bistro for dinner. My parents and Allie are gonna go get pizza. That's pretty exciting. I got tired all of a sudden when I was like doing my makeup. Now my eyes won't stay open, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay, let's go to dinner. Wow, I look scary. I said I look scary. It's our last day. We leave tonight, and this is the weather. It's quite dreary. Now you can't even see the mountains. We were gonna go to the beach this morning. I can't talk. We were gonna go to the beach this morning, but we woke up and the weather was like this. So we're just keeping it low key, and maybe we'll go to the pool later if it's warmer. We might try to go to Hanalei again and get wishing well. But yeah. Okay, update. We packed up a little bit. Made some progress. We're here until I think 4. I think is the plan for when we're gonna head towards Lahui, get gas, drop off the cars, check in, and all that fun stuff. So we're gonna go to Hanalei Bay and get some coffee. I'm working today, so I was working this morning. I also brought my laptop just in case. But yeah, I hope it gets a little bit warmer and sunny because I wanted to sit by the pool a little bit before we leave. So fingers crossed. So let's go to Hanalei. We're all packed up and our room looks really sad. We're heading to the airport soon to start our long travel day back to Denver. Thankfully it's a direct flight though, so it is a red eye, which makes for a long evening and day tomorrow, but when we land we'll probably sleep for a little bit, and then start our day. And luckily we get it on Friday, so then we have Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday's President's Day, so I don't go back to work till Tuesday. How fun is that? But yeah, off we go to the airport. Bye, sad little condo today. I don't know what it is. I feel like every time it's the end of vacation, the weather just seems sad. This time, technically we had the condo until tomorrow, so a full week, but flights coming home Friday were like, when we booked 2 months ago, it was like almost impossible. There was just like middle seats available, so we decided to come home a day early, and which is nice because we had the condo all day today, and usually we're out by 10 and then we're just dilly-dallying around until it's time to go to the airport. So a little give or take, a little bit better this time around. But I'm gonna stop filming and we'll go to the airport and go see Rexy.